If you want to save a Facebook story with music, this quick step by step guide will show you how to download your Facebook story with sound. First, open the Facebook app and tap on Create Story. Now, select a photo or video, then tap on Music and choose any song you like. Once your story is ready, you might notice that if you tap Save, it only saves without music. So here's the trick: tap on Share and post your story first. After your story is uploaded, open it, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Now select Save Video. This will download the story to your gallery with the music included. Finally, go to your Photos app and you'll see the video saved with sound. So, yeah, that's how you can save Facebook Story with music. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips. Thanks for watching.